Let's learn how to make mud pies. Here we go. Your kit will come with everything you see here except the measuring cup. Step 1. First, you're going to want to pour your bag of dirt into your pan, and that's going to be the light colored dirt. Careful to make a mess. Step 2. Then you're going to want to slowly pour in about half of your water, and I'm using a 1/4 measuring cup for my water. At this point, you're going to want to mix the water and the dirt around. Pour a little more water at any time if you feel like your dirt is getting too dry. And then you'll know it's ready when it has the consistency of cottage cheese. Step 3. Take your potting soil, that's that darker colored dirt, and sprinkle about half of the bag on top. Now it's time for some seeds. Step 4. Take your seeds. You're going to want to open them really carefully though, so they don't all spill out. Now sprinkle your seeds all over the top of the soil. Step 5. Now you're going to want to use the rest of the soil to cover up the seeds. Don't forget to add 1/4 cup of water over the top of your mud pie, and in about a week, you'll have your own little salad garden. And when they get a little bit bigger, about 2 to 3 inches, you can cut them and you can eat them for dinner. Enjoy!